Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a minute, but I hope that you all have been well. Um, Times are changing, right? The pandemic, everything's going back to normal. Here in Texas, I know we aren't really required to wear our mask anymore. Everything is opening up. We're trying to get back into that normal routine. It's been a year of difficulty, right? And, some businesses did really well. They were able to pivot, go into that online space. They were able to get their ads running. They were able to make a good amount of growth for 2020 going into 2021. And then there are some businesses that didn't do so well, right? So I started to really think about one business, right, one industry that no matter what, it has to stay open, right? No matter what, there's always going to be customers, whether for the next 20, 30 years, I think the auto space is going to stay relatively the same. We do have some new electric cars coming out, and that is a point of concern, right? For a lot of the body shops, repair shops that are out there. The more people that buy electric cars, the less business there is going to be for you unless you are certified to work on electric vehicles, which is very difficult to do, right? The electric vehicles mostly go to the dealerships that build them, companies that build them, right? Or they void their warranties or whatnot. So I'm setting out to build a program just for the auto industry, right? This is my auto repair division, my website for the auto repair division, and it's about 6, 7 services into one program. It's a 3 to 6 month program. Uh, Basically, it's set out to help you double your sales, right? Double your intake for repair services. And look, we could set out to run an offer for oil repair or oil replacement or brake brake replacement, brake repair, whatever. Something simple, but I don't want to do that. I want to put the focus on this program into bringing you the most amount of money possible, right? You want to increase your revenue tremendously for it to make a difference. In order for us to do that, we need to have systems in place, right? You need to have technicians that can fulfill engine repair replacement, transmission repair replacement, something that has to do with the suspension repair, something that is going to make you a lot of money, right? That has at least $1,000 or more ticket price, which is going to make a difference when you subtract, running costs, uh, labor, and then your marketing cost as well. You still want to have a big enough profit to where you can go out and live your life, take the weekends off, go on vacation, do whatever it is that you wanted to do so you can keep growing your businesses. You can franchise, you can open up another shop, go into dealerships, go into another business that's going to make you some more money, right? But in order for you to do that, you need this. So I am almost done. I will be opening hopefully by the um, next week. I believe that's my cutoff time. This program's called the AutoshopMarketing.io. Um, Double your sales within the next 3 to 6 months, right? Double your intake. Now that's a big commitment, right? And we have guarantees in place. If we don't hit our KPIs, if we don't hit our goals, you get you don't pay us, right? Or you get your money back depending on the guarantee, right? We have a rank in 90 days guarantee. I've ranked a lot of websites. I've been able to rank websites as fast as 2, 3 weeks, right? Number one, I've been able to rank for one website, and I've been able to manipulate and enhance and optimize the website to take an entire first page on Google. I've done it multiple times. So I know guaranteeing rank in 90 days or you don't pay us. I know that's a big guarantee, but that's one guarantee that I know that you no doubt are going to take, because you don't have to worry about hiring another SEO agency. You don't have to worry about anyone else that's burned you in the past, because I can guarantee those results or you don't pay us, right? We also have a basically a program with multiple services, right? And I'm just going to go over them real quick. We, of course, offer SEO. We offer CRO, which is optimizing your conversions on your landing pages for your ads. We're offering Google ads primarily. You can do Facebook ads as well, but I don't I don't like Facebook ads for the auto industry, specifically auto repair and auto glass and body shops. I don't think it brings about a big enough ROI. Now with Google, we can set programs where you only pay per click, right? And if you're qualified, you can do pay per call. I believe that's for the home industry. So we might have to give Google a call and see if we can set something up like that for your business. I don't think they might allow it, but our program, and look, don't worry, because our advertising program, you only pay us when one of our leads calls you, right? And if our leads don't call you, and this is a new program I will be opening up. This is going to be in congruent with our normal retainer program, so you can choose. We actually have to qualify you, and we're only taking 10 new clients per month, right? That's our cap, 10 clients per month. So spots are very limited right now. But so just thinking about it like this, you can either continue paying for a retainer, right? It can be $750, $1,000, $1,500 up front, plus your marketing cost, or we can work with you and we can offer you our base package, which are these services right here, right? You get the SEO, you get the CRO, you get the ads, you get the landing pages. We offer some email marketing campaigns for you, and we offer review management. That's 6 services, guys. That's 6. That's 6 services, and you don't have to pay us unless we bring leads to you, right? Typically, each of these services at any other agency, they're going to charge you $1,000 a month, right? This is going to be 1,000. This is 1,000. This is 1,000. This is 1,000. 1,000. This is a 6K package for free, technically, right? This is my new pay per performance program. It's the pay per call program. I'm offering it for auto repair, auto glass, and body shops and tool companies, right? So, like I said, we optimize your program, your marketing system. We run your ads, and when someone clicks on your ad, our focus is for them to call you. So what's going to happen is we're going to have a phone number that we track. We pay for this, right? We pay for call tracking, and at the same time, we have another system where it's click fraud protection. We pay for that too. That's about $140 value just for you, right? That's per client. So we track the phone number, and we optimize the clicks, right? We don't want any bots clicking on it or anything like that. So we can see who is calling your business, and that's how we can bill you, right? And we're going to be recording those calls. Let's say you have a dispute, you had a bad lead, no problem. We won't charge you for it. But you have to answer the calls within 5 minutes. If you don't answer the call and it's a missed call, we're still going to charge you, right? That is on you. You need to have those systems in place to answer every single phone call. So right now, I am offering basically an SEO and ad game plan in a free strategy session. Basically, you'll get to know how we can increase conversion rates by 300 to 400% by using a very simple website trick. You're going to be surprised when I tell you, but it really does work. I'm going to show you how we can rank on Google quicker than anyone else, right? We have a 90-day Google page 1 and get ranking guarantee. You're going to get to know all of our backwards advertising tactics that we use to reach bigger audiences and convert more sales, right? Plus, you'll get our Google click fraud protection, right? You easily get 50% higher return on your investments without changing a single thing, right? Easily 50% of your clicks are going to bots, they're going to your competitors clicking on your ads, they're going to repeat leads that keep clicking on it. You're getting charged every time there's a click. We're going to offer you call tracking software. We're going to set that up so that leads that call are sent directly to you. This way we can track it. That's how we bill you. You're going to get a review management system that maximizes your 5-star Google and Facebook business reviews. That says $50 a month value, but really that's more about a $500 a month value, right? It really is. But it costs us about $50 to $100 just to service that to you, plus our labor cost, right? This is expensive, and you're getting a lot of value for it. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get our SEO and advertising tracking dashboards with your personal logins, right? You get the login to a dashboard, right? Your own app, and you get to track your results, right? You get to track the results that we bring to you. You get to see what keywords we're ranking higher for, what new keywords are we getting you. You're going to see how much traffic you got, if you got any backlinks, stuff like that, all the technical SEO stuff. You're going to see your advertising, how many new leads you got, how many calls you have. You can text them through this platform if you like. You can email them through our platform if you like. There's a lot of things you can do here. And you're going to get an in-depth SEO and paid ad report going over your rankings, your links, your competitors, your strategy, and more. That's $1,000 value, right? We're giving that away for free. And there are no hidden fees, guys. We personally take care of all these expenses so that you don't have to. So go ahead and go over to autoshopmarketing.io, right? And just fill out your name, your email, put down your website. It's not required, but I urge you to do so. And then your mobile phone to get your free strategy session and your marketing report, right? We've been working on this for the last 6 months. You're going to generate an absolute herd of new auto shop clients and repeat customers. I'm telling you, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss out. We've been working on the right ad copy. We've been working on the right design, the right funnels. How are we going to generate high value, right? High ticket sales for your business, right? And this is a program for the auto repair industry. But of course, if you are auto glass, if you do body shops, and you're a total truck company, you're free to join in as well. We do have dealer clients. We are working in the dealer industry. We have another website that is being built, another program specifically for the dealer industry. There's a lot of potential there too. So again, guys, you can either hire us for free, or you can pay a kid fresh out of college $50,000 starting salary per year to do your marketing, right? You can either get this program for free. We've been testing this out for the last 6 years, or you can get that. You get your report, your SEO report, you get your Google and Facebook ad report. You get to learn how we target the 90% of the biggest audiences out there that your competitors are targeting, right? While we still capture the top 10% of your hungry customers that are fighting for your services, right? We tell you what's wrong with how your competitors run ads while helping you run your auto repair advertising campaigns the right way. We have no setup fees. We have no management fees. We have no hidden fees. I think I missed a D there. And we have no design fees. No, I had to take a break and fly out to the beach and have to work more freeze. If you guys know, I like to go on vacations every other month, every month. I like to fly somewhere and I like to enjoy myself. Me being out of it for the weekend, it's not going to get you to charge more. It's not going to delay anything, right? I have a really good team in place. I have really good systems in place. We can get this done for you, right? So go ahead and fill this out. Go to autoshopmarketing.io, go to the bottom of the page and go ahead and fill this out. And you'll be hearing, you'll get an email with a video from me welcoming you to our program. You're going to get a follow-up email and you're going to get a call from me, right? You're going to get a one-on-one call from me. We're going to set up a 30-minute consultation, right? Basically, a free consultation. We're going to go over everything that you need, right? We're going to administer the right the right script, right, the right medicine for your marketing game plan. So go ahead, guys. Stop waiting. Go to autoshopmarketing.io. Get this done. If you like the video, please like this video. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.